she's just a subject of an ILBO lookout bulletin. And given that, and the fact that she was going to Malaysia to meet with the ICC, gave us reason to say, okay, because if she's going to be a witness to the ICC, we have said that our working relationship with the ICC involves witness protection. And the best way to protect her is actually for the ICC to meet her abroad.
Ayon po kay Secretary of Justice Crispin Remulla na si dating Philippine Charity Sweepstakes Office Chief and Retired Police Colonel Royina Garma ay nakipag-agree na magiging witness itong si Garma sa International Criminal Court laban po kay Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Kinumpir na po ni Secretary Remulla na si Garma ay kasalukuyang nasa Malaysia para makipagkita sa International Criminal Court Authority. Matatandaan natin na si Garma ay siya pong nagsiwalat na meron talagang Davao Death Squad o DDS at siya po ang nag-disclose, no? Siya po ang nag-disclose na may pondo na ina-award sa mga pulis kung sino po ang makakapatay ng mga drug suspect. Ito po ay galing sa Pogo at mula po sa pondo ni dating Presidente Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Kaya, mainit na balita ito ha, magiging witness sa International Criminal Court itong si Royina Garma.